Security cameras in Rincon, Puerto Rico. If you're searching for security cameras in Rincon, we are here to provide the best solutions. We specialize in delivering high-quality security cameras and professional installation services throughout Rincon, Puerto Rico. Whether you're looking to secure your home with a single camera or need a full surveillance system for your business, we have the expertise to help. With a deep understanding of the security concerns in Rincon, we offer a broad range of security camera options, including dome cameras, bullet cameras, and color night vision cameras. Our systems are designed to safeguard your home or business, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. We also offer expert security camera installation in Rincon for residential and commercial properties. Our certified technicians are highly trained to install your security system efficiently and correctly. Call us today at 787-456-8177 to schedule a consultation for your security camera needs in Rincon, Puerto Rico, or shop online at www.secureviewcameras.com.